Guess what, you guys? Your girl finally got the Rev Air blow dryer. First of all, y'all didn't know this. I don't even think I told you guys, but I've been wanting this blow dryer for like a year, but it's like $500 and something. You know what I'm saying? And I just couldn't bring myself to do it. But my sister-in-law bought it for me for my birthday. Shout out to her. Shout out to Mama Cola. Thank you so much, Lakeisha. I appreciate you. Love you, boo. Yeah, so I got it for my birthday and I'm gonna do a review for you guys. It's gonna be a first impression. You know what I'm saying? Yes, I'm late. It is what it is. Gotta get it how you live. Over here, section A, that's my laundry basket. I haven't done my laundry yet. If you staring at it really hard, guess what you're not doing? Minding your business. And over here, section B, that's a nail. It's not a bug. It's a nail. So calm down. Calm down. Okay. I'm about to show y'all the box. Period. So I'm gonna have you guys watch me unbox it. Do a mini unboxing. It is what it is. Y'all see the laundry basket. Don't be trying to act like you be doing your laundry every day. You know you ain't. Stop playing. I am looking crazy. First of all, I just washed my hair. So, ciao. Anyways, I don't really want to show you guys the box because they got my address on here. So, and y'all know where I live. I'm in Canada. Just know that. I live in Canada. Okay. Okay, so operating manual. I can't even get too close because the lighting in my room is atrocious. Quick start guide. And many thanks. Well, you know you'll want to start revving today. Please scan the QR code for step-by-step instructions to take you from unboxing to revving in no time. I use my phone to record, so I won't be able to do it. Anyway, this is it, y'all. Hold on. This thing kind of heavy. It's kind of heavy, guys. Is this it? Sorry, guys. So it comes already assembled. That's kind of cool. I thought I had to assemble it. So the Rev Air is a healthier choice that provides great results for all hair types and styles, including naturally curly, coily, wavy, kinky, straight, and textured hair. The aerodynamically designed wand can dry everything from coarse hair and braids to locks and extensions. After revving, your hair will be smooth and ready to wear, stretched, styled, or prepped for a protective style with ease. All right, guys, so I'm gonna move to the bathroom and like have my lights on and stuff so y'all can see what's really good one. Okay, so the products I put in my hair is Kinky Curly Not Today, BioSilk Silk Therapy, and this is like a serum, like a straightening serum, and then the Chi 44 Iron Guard. Those are the three products that's in my hair right now, and I'm working on freshly washed hair. So I'm about to turn it on. It's about to get loud, so I'm just gonna play music over this part. So I'm just gonna split this twist in half. Yeah, half. Cause I just wanna see what's really going on. So it has 2 levels here. I'm gonna do level 1. Because I think that's what's recommended. So that's what I'm gonna do. I guess if you want your hair to be straighter, then you can try level 2. But I'm gonna try level 1 first and see what's really going on. And then, yeah, so. That looks really good. I mean, I already knew it was gonna work because I've watched way too many review videos. But that looks really good. And it uses 0 manipulation to get it to look like this. This looks really good. This looks like I blow dried it. I mean, it is a blow dryer, but you know, what is it giving, y'all? What is it giving? You guys are just gonna watch me do my hair, and then when I'm done, I'll give you my final thoughts, okay? All right, guys, so I'm done. This is what your girl's hair is looking like. Let me turn around for you guys. Wait, let me not do that, but it took me about 40 minutes to blow dry my hair. That shaved off quite a bit of time because normally it takes me an hour and 15 to an hour and a half to blow dry my hair with a regular blow dryer. I think it's done pretty well. It is done pretty well for a machine that causes 0 breakage and 0 heat damage. I truly believe this machine, there's no possible way for it to cause heat damage because the heat that is used is not hot. I generally think it's the suction of your hair in the wand. Like the way it pulls your hair into like the hose is similar to the tension method, but it's a lot quicker. I initially had the dial, which is like the base unit, on level 2, and then I realized level 2 just wasn't working for your girl. So I brought it all the way up to level 5. So if you guys can see that part right there, yeah, it's on level 5, very much so. I put the wand on 2. I know technically in the directions, it doesn't really recommend doing this. It says to, if you're going to use level 2, make sure it's on, I believe the dial is on 1 or 2. But your girl got a lot of hair and it just wasn't looking the way I wanted it to. So I believe the base unit, the numbers on the dial is like the suction levels, and then the levels on the wand is heat. So level 1 is like low heat, level 2 is high heat, and then the 0 in the middle is a cool shot. I didn't use the cool shot, I should have actually. If you guys do decide to try out this air dryer, then make sure you follow the directions. I was trying to kind of rush the process. It says, the directions say that if you have thick and coarse hair that you should use 90 seconds per section. I was trying to speed up the process, and then I had to go over my hair again, which was very annoying and time consuming. But also too, I was just still kind of like figuring out how to use this. And I still am, because this is my first time. So, you know, maybe the next time I do this, it will be even better. So the pros about this machine: 0 breakage, 0 damage to your hair because the heat is so low. And even though the machine sucks your hair into the hose so it can give it some type of tension so it can stretch, the tension is so minimal. Like, it's so minimal, it doesn't even feel like anything's really pulling your hair like that. You can get a blow dry look without the damage that blow drying comes with. You feel me? What I'm most excited about for this machine is using it on my braid outs and my twist outs, stretching my braid outs and my twist outs. I'm so excited about that because, girl, the shrinkage is so real. As we speak right now, my hair is shrinking. Like, the cons about this machine is the price tag, and that the wand, this part right here, is actually kind of heavy. Like, I would say this part alone is at least 3 pounds, at least. It might be 5, but I feel like it's about 3 pounds. So in the beginning, it's cute, fun, and quirky. And then once you get to at least halfway through your hair, especially if you have a lot of hair like me, your hand starts getting real tired, like really quickly. Would I recommend this blow dryer? This is what I'm gonna say. If you got it like that, sis, then go off. If you don't got it like that, sis, stick to your blow drying, your usual blow drying method. Just don't do it too often because you know the damages that come with that. But if you got it like this, sis, if you got $500 extra to spare, because it's $562 Canadian to be exact, $562, which is why I didn't purchase it. And then my sister purchased it for me. So shout out to her, shout out to her. Maybe you can request this as like a birthday gift. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Like, you know, if you got a birthday coming up, you can request a girl. You can do just fine with your blow dryer. I just want to minimize the breakage and the manipulation that comes with blow drying, hence why I wanted this machine, as well as I want to stretch my hair without worrying about heat damage. Yeah, that's all I got to say. And that's all I got to say, guys. So all right, guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and that like button if you haven't already. Let me know in the comment section below if you already tried the REVair machine and how are you liking it. I can tell you this much, I love it, and I'm very excited to use it as a stretching method on my braid outs, my twist outs. Share this video with everyone and anyone that you know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys, you know I do. And I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Bye guys.